I had done other little things like a hair butter or body butter, but I wanted to do more. When I started this journey, I did not expect that I was going to end up at this point. It started simply because I was talking to my mom, asking her how she was, and she was like, I've got some pain on my feet and so on. And I said, do you have any creams? And she was like, no, I just apply aloe vera. And I was like, oh, I didn't know that. So that started my curiosity to try to understand what's going on and so on. So I started looking on the internet, obviously. I started looking at aloe vera, and then I went into avocado. I ended up doing some avocado oil. And I was like, oh, I like this actually. So let me just see if I can find a school. So I started Googling and I found yours. And I was like, well, let me just have a look. I had done other little things like a hair butter or body butter, but I wanted to do more. I decided to enroll you. And I found the process that you follow for us to slowly getting to know the ingredients, getting to know how things work. There were two things. One was for the availability of information on your website. I could have started with skincare. I could have started with hair care. So I decided, I'm going to start with the hair care. The information is quite clear. And it said that it treated African hair type. And I want to learn about it. The other reason was it was ready. I just needed to buy the course and start. That was it. In terms of formulation as such, no. I can formulate maybe a cake, but not a lotion or a cream. I never thought that it worked this way. No, you have to think of the ingredients. Are they ingredients that are from the same family? Are they natural? I just loved it. I usually buy, for example, my deodorants, my creams and so on. Whenever I could, I would buy natural. But for example, my hair, I would not think a lot on natural products, although I would try to find some and I can't find it. Maybe they were available and I wasn't aware of it, but I wouldn't say that I was knowledgeable in relation to natural products. Nearly everything. Now I can do a shampoo and I can do a shampoo that I know what is it for. So I managed to now distinguish which ingredients I can add to make this specific one. I can do now conditioners. I would have never thought that I would know how to make a conditioner. I finished the hair formulator course. I decided then to do the skin one. For example, I've done a skin cream, I've done a lotion, and I've done one for feet. I didn't think that I could make a cream for my hands, and I can today. The assistance that you provide, it's quite good as well. I quite like the platform where you go there obviously once a week and you get the information. You ask questions and the tutor explains to us and so on. I do quite like that. I think that if you organize your studies, it is not that complicated. And the other thing is you'd say, but I have done this and it didn't quite come as I expected. And you have someone to explain to you why that did not come out right, why the product not as you expected. I believe that you will learn what to do and you'll get the results that you expect. And it's fun, I think, because you do have all those little lessons where you teach people. I think you get a lot of value for the money that you pay for it. It's amazing because you look at the product and you say, I created this product with this in mind. And for example, I wanted to eliminate the dry skin that I had. And I was capable of creating that product. So if you know that someone taught you about that, I think it's very good. It's quite an amazing feeling. Feel that you can do your own products. You know what's going in your own skin. You know that you can adjust it for your needs. I I now know where to go. I would recommend go to the website, compare the courses and see which one you would like to start from. Get the one that meets your requirements first. There is always something there that will help you to decide. The information that it's in there, it's useful for you to decide to do the course.